Hey everyone, I'm going to show you how to delete ChatGPT data without deleting your account. So to start, open ChatGPT and sign in to your account. Next, tap the two-line menu in the top left corner, then tap Settings at the bottom. So once you're on Settings, scroll down and go to Data Controls. Tap Data Controls. And once you're on Data Controls, what you need to do is to scroll down and go to Chat History. Now under Chat History, you have three options. So what you need to do is to tap delete all chats. So all your chats will be cleared from history and this cannot be undone. So click confirm to proceed. So if you see the check mark, the green check mark, that means all your chats was deleted. Then just click this arrow at the top left to go back.
Hey guys, quick one before we continue. My team and I publish step-by-step tutorials on useful software, apps, and tools to help you get things done every single day. And so if you're finding these videos useful, I'd really appreciate if you hit that subscribe button and give this video a like. And of course, so that you'll never miss out when we release more tutorials just like this one. Now, let's continue.
And as you can see, there's no recent conversations available. So all the chats was deleted. And that's how you can delete ChatGPT data without deleting your account. Thank you for watching.